Good night, teacher and partners. Step 6. Prepare technology negotiation. Proposal for software commercialization. Definition of the IP involved. To ensure that the manager of a company can measure the achievement of its strategy, good night, teacher and partners. Step 6. Prepare technology negotiation. My proposal for software commercialization. Definition of the IP involved. To ensure that the manager of a company can measure the achievement of these strategies in real time and make continuous monitoring the software company works of the design of an application that meets this condition. Protection. To maintain the protection of the software and the since it is an intangible asset, it must be done through copyright at the first instance. This software can also be a patent, so that one can make difficult reproduction. Billing method. The software company manages a very competitive cost with respect to its competition. This is present a cost saving of 15% and tiers of the competition are 20%. General condition of the license. The license will be valid for 20 years with an exclusive option to license and sub-license the copyright of the software. You may know more around the technical limitation of the software, reverse engineer, the compiler, or disassemble the software, except and only to the excellent that applicable law explicitly permitting, despite this limitation. Make more copies of the software than specific agreement or permitted by applicable law. Despite this limitation, publish the software of other copy, rent, lease, or loan the software, transfer the software of this agreement or third party, or use the software for commercial software hosting.